So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a magic ring in crochet. To do this, you're going to need a crochet hook. I've got a 3.5mm one, and you're going to need some wool, and I'm using double knit wool. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your wool, and you get the tail end, which I'm holding now, and you're going to wrap it round your two fingers, and when you get to the top you're then going to cross that wool over. With your crochet hook, at the top of the X you're going to insert it under and then over the second piece and pull it through. And now you're going to pull that up a bit so it creates a bit of a gap, and then you're going to get your crochet hook and hook it under the piece of wool like I'm doing here, and then you're just going to pull that through the loop. Now you may need to watch that a few more times just to get the hang of it, but once you've done that you can take your fingers out of the loop and you can see you've got the magic ring on your crochet hook. So the next stage is to start crocheting into that magic ring. So I'm just doing treble crochet into this ring, which is UK terminology. American terminology, it would be double crochet. So I'll just speed this up for you, and then we can see the finished result. So now I'm just coming to the end, and I've got 6 treble crochets in my magic circle, and I'm just pulling that piece of wool, the tail end, tight, and that then pulls everything in. And I'm now just going to do a slip stitch in the first treble crochet that I made, just to join that circle together. And there you go, you've got your magic ring. And now from this you can just carry on crocheting round. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Bye!